What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Zero Design. So today we are going to be looking at the Bora NGX track system. They sent me this a few months ago, and with the hustle and bustle of everything that was going on, it kind of got put off to the side. I hadn't really been working on anything big, so I didn't need it. I pulled it out this weekend, and I'm blown away. I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's all laid out here in front of me. It's already set up. I got the 50-inch track with the T-square attachment. I have the NGX slide with the chip guard. And then I have this other one here. It's just another slide for your saw. But like I said, guys, I mean, they really hooked me up here. What I'm going to do now is we're going to dive in. We're going to look at each piece individually. And I put everything together already just to show you guys how easy it is to break all of this stuff down, change out whatever needs changed out, and put it all back together. Super simple, super sleek design, very heavy duty, very durable. And we're going to dive straight in, guys. I'm excited. All right, guys, so the first thing that we're going to dive in and look at is the 50-inch track system. Compared to some of the other track systems that I've used before, like right here, I have a Pittsburgh Harbor Freight one. Very, very flimsy. The lock is not anything special. It doesn't really sit very flush to the wood. Would it get the job done? Yeah, sure it will. But does it get the job done right every time with, exact measurements? No. So, this one, so far, has outperformed the other two that I have in every aspect. This thing is solid. It's heavy. The lock, as you heard on the last one, was just like up and down. You didn't hear nothing. This one, it's very heavy duty, guys. It bites. So, the 50-inch track system, I love it. It sits perfectly flush to your wood. Your pencil won't fall underneath if you're just making a straight line with it. It's just, everything about this is perfect. I also have the T-square attachment. This is sold separately in most kits. It comes with this and the mechanism that hooks right to it. Again, guys, same thing, super durable. I did put it on there and I did test it with 2 T-squares to see how close to 90 it came, and it is spot on. It's perfect. So that is the clamp and T-square attachment. So now let's take a look at the first sled attachment. Now keep in mind, guys, before we look at this, my saw is old, it's beat up, it's nasty. I don't use it very often, but with that being said, when you guys see how old this saw is, and it's still compatible with their brand new plate, that in alone speaks volumes. Can't tell you guys how many times I've gone out and bought something that says, universal fit, and it just doesn't. I know I had that problem with my sign making kit. The plate does not fit my router. I've tried every configuration, it just doesn't work. So I had to go buy a new router. But with this, this old Makita saw, it's been through the ringer, it's old, but it fits on there perfect. Slides up and down the track, no problem. These universal plates are super simple. A lot of times it gets really intimidating having to change plates and all that. Not with Bora. It's these 3 clips here. You just pop them up. Maybe not. There. These 3 clips, you just pop them up. Your saw's away. It's that simple, guys. It doesn't get easier. I'm telling you, Bora blew my mind with this entire track system. You ready to use it again? Slide your saw in there. It'll hit the stops all the way around. And then you just push these tabs back down. You're getting back to work. I also got this other one. Basically, it's the same thing. It's a little slicker. It doesn't have the chip guard on it. So I'm going to run it with this one. We are going to take it over and we're going to make the cut that I need made for the dollhouse project, which will be in another video. So let's pack up and head over there and make some sawdust with Bora. Alright, so now that we're over here, I would like to demonstrate to you guys just how great of a product this is. I have the saw set up on the track. I did take the T-square portion off because we are making a through cut. I didn't want to leave it on there and end up hacking part of it off. But we're just going to make a quick, it's a 24-inch cut right on a straight line. So I'm going to show you guys just how simple it is to use Bora's product. Just like that, guys. Very well cut, very straight. Took it all the way to the end. As you guys saw, once I got to the end, I was able to safely just pick it up. The guard obviously fell on the saw. You can pick it up and move it away. This is still attached. You can see that line is perfect. Alright guys, let's head back over to the work table and talk about this. Alright guys, well that was cool. So we got to make a little bit of sawdust and we also got to use Bora while doing it. A couple pros and cons real quick right off the top of my head. Super well built, guys. I'm telling you, the craftsmanship into this is incredible. It's so easy to put together. It's like they thought of every problem that you're gonna have and addressed it before they put it on the market. Straight out of the package, putting everything together, a couple minutes. Like I said, guys, it's my old Makita fit right on there, no problems at all. Didn't have to adjust anything. The plate, I wanted to show you guys that real quick before. You can see how hard it is to get off. That's a good thing. With your adjustable plate here, these slide. So you basically just slide these around a little bit until you get a good hold around the plate on your saw. Clamp them down, you're good to go. Another big pro is how well it slides on the track. I did have a hard time getting this sticker off, and I did feel it as I was sliding, kind of hang up there a little bit, but there is grip on the inside of here, so I think that's what that was. I'm gonna get this sticker off and see if that smooths things out a little bit. The only real con that I found the first couple times I've obviously used this, but the instructions were a little weird. The way it was written, I don't know if that might just be the fact that I'm a beginner and I don't know a lot of the terminology, or if they wrote it as if somebody who knew their product. But as a first-time user of Bora, I'm very impressed, but I was unable to follow along with the instructions. So in order to, at first, familiarize myself with all the pieces, I had watched a video myself and kind of learned everything off of that, and now I am putting it all into one video to give to you guys. But I'm super impressed. I really like their product. Like I said, guys, I've seen a really cool like portable workstation that I want to get my hands on. I will definitely be getting more Bora just based on their track system alone. I can tell that their product is of a higher quality, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tool review. If you guys have any questions, feel free, leave them in the comments below. I will answer all of your guys' questions. You guys will see me using a lot more of this. And as always, guys, I'm Zach with Zero Designs. Go get to work.